Welcome back, student. This is the second part for the chapter third solution. Now let's start. Today's first question is, how will you separate a mixture containing kerosene and petrol? A mixture is given to you, kerosene and the petrol. Difference in their boiling point more than 25 degree Celsius. Both have the difference in boiling point more than 25 degree Celsius, which are miscible with each other. They are miscible also, they can mix into each other. Now answer is, a mixture of two miscible liquids have a different answer hai, a mixture of two miscible liquids have a difference in their boiling points more than 25 degrees Celsius can be separated by the method of distillation. Which technique we use? We use the distillation method. Thus kerosene and petrol can be separated by the distillation, and this is the setup for the distillation is shown here. In this method, mixture of kerosene and petrol are taken in the distillation flask. This is the distillation flask. This is the distillation flask. We take the mixture here with a thermometer fitted in it, and here a thermometer is also fitted. We also need a beaker, a water condenser and a Bunsen burner. All these things are shown in the figure. The apparatus is arranged as shown in the above figure. Then mixture is heated slowly. The thermometer should be watched simultaneously. Kerosene will vaporize and condense in the water condenser. When you heat, kerosene will be vaporized first and it get condensed into the water condenser. Here is your water condenser. Here is your water condenser. This is your water condenser, and here kerosene will get condensed. The condensed kerosene is collected from the condenser outlet. From the condenser, this is the condenser outlet. From here you get the kerosene, condensed kerosene. Whereas petrol is left behind in the distillation flask, and petrol will be left here. Now come to the next question. Name the technique to separate butter from curd. It is separated by the centrifugation. Salt from seawater, evaporation. Camphor from salt, sublimation. We use sublimation technique. Now come third question. What type of mixture is separated by the technique of crystallization? Answer is, by the technique of crystallization, pure solid are separated from impurities. For example, salt obtained from sea is separated from impurities. Crystal of alum, fitkari are separated from impure samples. Means we use crystallization technique when we want to get the pure solid from the impure substance. Now when we get salt from seawater, to get the salt from seawater, firstly we use the evaporation method, and after that we use the crystallization method. By this method we get the pure salt in the form of crystals. Now come to the next question. Classify the following as chemical or physical change. You have to tell whether this is the chemical or physical change. Chemical change is the kind of change in which new substances are formed, and in physical change only physical state of the substances form. Chemical nature will remain same. Now first is cutting of tree. It is physical change. Melting of butter in a pan, it is also a physical change. Rusting of almirah, here in the rusting of almirah new substance is formed, so it is a chemical change. Firstly both are physical change. Boiling of water to form steam, boiling of water is also a physical change. Next is passing of electric current through water and the passing of electric current through water and water breaking down into hydrogen and oxygen. Here see, new substance, hydrogen and oxygen are gases are formed, so this is a chemical change. Next is dissolving common salt in water, just state change. Here no new substance is formed, so this is a physical change. Next, making a fruit salad with raw fruits, it's also physical change. Burning of paper and wood, here after burning you get the ash, so this is the chemical change. Come to the next question. Try segregating the things around you as pure or mixtures. For examples, pure in our surrounding, pure are water, salt, sugar. Try to give some more pure substances, example of more pure substances, and write your answer in the comment section or e-feedback. Next is mixture. You have to tell some mixture: salt, water, soil, wood, air, cold drink, rubber, sponge, fog, milk, butter, clothes, food, and many more. All these things are the mixtures. With this question, all your in-text question answers discussion complete. Into the next video we will start with the exercise question answers.